Imagine this. You are outside, in a new place, and you need to speak English fast.
In this lesson, you will learn 70 useful English phrases for real daily life. Not only basic greetings, real phrases for real situations.
Could you help me for a moment?
This means you need help, but only for a short time. Use it in the street, in a store, or at a station.
I'm looking for the nearest bus stop.
Use this when you want to find a bus stop. You can replace bus stop with bank, pharmacy, supermarket, or hotel.
Is this the right way to the city center?
This means you want to know if you are going in the correct direction.
Could you show me on the map?
This is very useful when directions are difficult. The person can show you the place on your phone.
How far is it from here?
Use this to ask about distance. For example, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 2 kilometers.
Can I walk there?
This means you want to know if the place is close enough to go on foot.
I think I'm in the wrong place.
Use this when you feel lost or when the address is not correct.
Could you speak a little more slowly?
This is important for beginners. Use it when someone speaks too fast.
I didn't catch that.
This means I did not hear or understand what you said. It sounds natural.
Where can I find bottled water?
Use this in a supermarket when you cannot find something. You can replace bottled water with milk, bread, or rice.
Do you have any fresh bread?
This means you want to know if fresh bread is available.
Is this price correct?
Use this when the price looks strange or different from what you expected.
Is there a discount on this?
This means you want to know if the price is lower today.
I'll take 2 of these.
Use this when you want to buy 2 items. It is simple and natural.
Can I pay by card?
This is very useful at the checkout. It means you want to use your bank card.
I don't need a bag, thank you.
Say this when the cashier asks if you want a shopping bag, but you do not need one.
Do you have this in another size?
Use this for clothes, shoes, or products with different sizes.
Can I return this if it doesn't fit?
This is useful when buying clothes or shoes. It means you want to know if you want to bring it back.
Could I have the receipt, please?
A receipt shows what you bought and how much you paid. This phrase is polite.
Excellent. Shopping becomes much easier with these phrases.
Now, let's move to a cafe or restaurant where you can order food naturally.
A table near the window, please.
Use this when you want a specific place to sit in a restaurant or cafe.
What do you recommend?
This means you want the waiter to suggest something good.
I'd like something light, please.
Use this when you do not want a heavy meal. Maybe a salad, soup, or sandwich.
Does this dish have meat?
This is useful if you do not eat meat, or if you want to know the ingredients.
Is it spicy?
Use this before ordering food. Spicy means it has hot pepper or strong spices.
Could I have it without onions?
Use this when you want to remove one ingredient. You can replace onions with cheese, sauce, or salt.
Can I have some water, please?
This is polite and useful in restaurants, cafes, hotels, and meetings.
This tastes really good.
Use this when you enjoy the food. It sounds natural and positive.
Could we have the bill, please?
Use this at the end of the meal when you want to pay.
Can we split the bill?
This means each person pays their part. Use it with friends or colleagues.
Nice. Now you can order food and pay more easily.
In the next part, we take a taxi and move around the city.
Could you take me to this address?
Use this in a taxi. You can show the address on your phone.
How long will it take to get there?
This means you want to know the travel time.
Is there a lot of traffic today?
Use this in a taxi or with a driver. Traffic means many cars on the road.
Could you stop here, please?
Say this when you want the driver to stop at your location.
Please turn right after the traffic light.
Use this when you give simple directions to a driver.
How much is the ride?
This means you want to know the price of the taxi trip.
Can I pay in cash?
Use this when you want to pay with money, not by card.
Is this seat taken?
Use this on a bus, train, or in a waiting room when you want to sit.
I need to get off at the next stop.
This is useful on a bus or train. It means your stop is coming soon.
Which platform should I go to?
Use this at a train station. A platform is the place where you wait for the train.
Great. You can now travel around the city more easily.
Next, let's go to the hotel and practice useful travel phrases.
I have a reservation under my name.
Use this at hotel reception. It means you booked a room before arriving.
What time is check-in?
Check-in is the time when you can enter your hotel room.
What time is check-out?
Check-out is the time when you must leave the room.
Is breakfast included?
Use this to ask if breakfast is free with your room.
Is there Wi-Fi in the room?
This is very useful when you need internet during your trip.
The air conditioner is not working.
Use this when something in your hotel room has a problem.
Could I have an extra towel, please?
Use this when you need one more towel in your room.
Can I leave my luggage here?
This is useful before check-in or after checkout.
Could you call a taxi for me?
Use this at reception when you need a taxi.
Thank you for your assistance.
Assistance means help. This phrase is polite and professional.
Perfect. Hotel English is now easier.
In the next part, we move to work, school, and professional situations.
I'm working on it right now.
Use this when someone asks about a task and you are doing it now.
I need a little more time.
This is useful when you are not finished yet. It sounds honest and polite.
Could you explain the task again?
Use this when you do not fully understand what you must do.
I'll send you the document today.
Use this at work or school when you will send a file or report.
When is the deadline?
A deadline is the final time or date to finish something.
That sounds like a good idea.
Use this when you agree with someone's suggestion.
Can we discuss this later?
This means you want to talk about the topic at another time.
What do you think about this?
Use this when you want another person's opinion.
Let's focus on the main point.
Use this in a meeting when you want to stay on the important topic.
I appreciate your feedback.
Feedback means comments or advice. This phrase sounds professional and positive.
Excellent. These phrases help you sound more confident at work.
In the final part, we practice phone calls, friends, and clarification phrases.
Sorry, I can't hear you clearly.
Use this on the phone or in an online meeting when the sound is bad.
Could you repeat the last part?
This is useful when you understood most of the sentence, but not the end.
Can I call you back in 10 minutes?
Use this when you cannot talk now, but you can call later.
I'll text you the address.
This means you will send the address by message.
Let me know when you arrive.
Use this with friends or family when you want to know they arrived safely.
Are you free this evening?
This means you want to know if the person has time tonight.
Let's do something fun this weekend.
Use this when you want to make plans with a friend.
I'm not sure I understand.
This is a very useful beginner phrase. It is polite and honest.
What does this word mean?
Use this when you are learning English and you find a new word.
Could you give me an example?
This helps you understand better. Examples make English easier.
Amazing. You have